Hi everyone, it's Harifom here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this issue where basically your PS5 controller tries to connect to your PC but then automatically disconnects or automatically turns off, and it's pretty simple to fix. Alright, so as you can see, so my PlayStation controller is on pairing mode, and now I'm just going to go ahead and click on add a device and allow it to pair, and it says connection succeeded, but then it just turns off, and it's pretty simple to fix. So alright, on in your Bluetooth settings, go ahead and remove your PlayStation controller. And now once it's removed, just go and click on add a device, and on your PlayStation controller itself, make sure to hold this button and this button together at the same time, and your light should start blinking just like this. And then just go and click on Bluetooth on your PC, and then make sure to go ahead and connect your DualSense wireless controller, and as you can see, so it is connected and you're good to go. Now if this does not work just like it did for me, it might be because your battery is low, so all you have to do is go ahead and plug in a cable from your PC to your PlayStation controller. And once that is plugged in, as you can see, so it is charging because of the orange light it shows. And yes, your PS5 controller should be connected to your PC and you should be able to play. Now once it's completely charged, it should turn blue, or it should just turn off. The light should just turn off, and then after that you can wirelessly connect it once again and start playing. And yes, that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.